Hello. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to another motivational video of building a house in Ghana. And if it's your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we begin with a new project which I have named the Mountain View Project. So, this belongs to one of our subscribers here on the channel who got in touch with the team, and then we went for a site visit, and this is how the plot looks like. You can see even the road to the place is not well constructed. I mean, he is going to be the first person building at that height, and that means that we have to construct our own road. So as we always do, we have Nat, who is our architecture, and then brother Sami, who is the engineer. They went to the land, to survey the place and make plan, as we always do. If you've been on the channel, you know how we do it, and this is not the first time we are building on a steep hill like this. If you go to my playlist called The Hill Project, you've seen the amazing job we've done with that project. So we're going to do the same thing here. If you are joining us, and you haven't seen us building on a hill before, I think you can learn one or two things here. We're going to start it all over again. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And we have amazing episodes coming with the Mountain View project.
So this is Bodomase. Bodomase, you mentioned this, okay? Because you can see it's a nice view. Although we'll be very expensive working here. You can see this is the first pit cutting. You can see the depth. Looking at the valley to know what is ongoing. You can see the back still go at the top. The top is climbing where you can't even go there. Completing the first level, the second level will start after this. A grader have to come to push everything down there and also make the road, because here a tipper cannot climb up here, never. So you find a way of bringing your materials top here for a whole building. It's not an easy task. So buying land is not about only getting the land, but when building costs depend on the land, the type of land you are building on. Sometimes when it is at the valley too, you have a problem. When it is too hilly too, you have a problem. So all is about choosing the right land for your pocket, because it's very nice here building. When you build here and you are a rich man, it's very nice looking. You may have a nice look view. You can see the view around. You can see a very nice view around. So on your left you can see, your right too you can see. It's a hilly area, so you can see some of the cuttings. So building is not just, oh, I'm going to build, but the cost depend on the nature of your plot and other things. So, or give me a quotation of a 3 bedrooms where I don't know where it is going to be built at. It doesn't sometimes make our work easier, because building at this area, you must hire a machine to transport everything that you are going to use on the hill to the top here. So those bring extra costs. If at the valley side too, you are going to do more filling, going to apply your dam proofing and other stuff. So all buildings can be of the same style but different costs, depend on your area. Thank you. Yeah, the sun is scorching here. That is the town, and you can see the level we are taking. This is the first level. And then the second level, deeper, because you want the room height. So after a grader may come in, push everything down there, you can see the slope. Assessing it with car is even more difficult. It's not easy thing to do. We are on it. Little by little we get it. Once again, you are welcome to the hill. There is a cattle. You can't bring any Thai vehicle here for now. So you can see the bulldozer and then the excavator working at the same time. If not, we can't get what we want. You can see the area. This is the hill. This is the straightness of it. The camera is straight, but you can see the slope. So this is the nature of the road we've created. Bernard, walk down and let me see. Oh, don't walk by that distance. Go straight. Go through the middle. Oh no, go through the middle. Let me see something. So that's it. It's not easy to access it. Very, very difficult. You're building on the hill. You buy land, hiring a bulldozer and excavator to clear what you want. Accessing it to not easy, and that may be for life, because building is for life. So that's it. If you don't have a good 4x4 car, then no, you can't access here. It's the nature it has now. Nothing you can do because it's nature. So you have to go by the way it is. So continuing, having an area to build now. not easy building on the hill. So I may not advise average person to buy the hill because even what we spend here now can buy you a lot at places. So that's it. Even assessing it becomes something you must take note of. There is not the end. Bringing materials here and all stuff is also another, and you are going to live here for the rest of life too. So note must be taken. Yes. It's not good for the average person buying a lot of home, at least. Is it? We can work anywhere. Anywhere you send us, we can work there. But the fact is that we have to tell you what it takes. That's all. Yeah. Thank you very much. This is it now. We have a, a flat ground to build on. You can see the dozer and then the excavator working at the same time. The dozer can push but can't excavate. The excavator too can also excavate cannot but cannot push. So the two have to be at the same time. So we are having a flat ground now to build on. Now these have to wait for some time for it to settle naturally. So meaning the rains are going to fall on it for some days. We steady it and then start the building. So we can see the access road. This is the road we've created to the dam. It's not easy to create, but this is it. Yes, this is the road.
So there you have it. This is what we've been able to achieve in episode 1. In episode 2, we might begin with the foundation trenches already, but first we have to let the rain do his thing, respect nature. It's raining season, so we will take advantage of that so that it rain to compact, the ground a little bit to be hardened. During the process of, waiting, we'll be doing our planning, architecture drawing and all that so that when we begin, it's fast forward as we always do here on the channel. So, if you have any challenge, like as he said, we can build anywhere. It doesn't matter where you want us to build. Even if you want us to build on the sea, we can do it. But you just have to know that it comes with a cost. So, as you can see, it's on a hill or a mountain, but we've been able to achieve a flat level. We don't have to buy more blocks or do more filling. No, we've been able to achieve a base level. All we have to do is to try to put up like a retaining wall, and there are so many things which will come, so just if you want to learn, if you want to follow this process, I mean, we've done it like 4 times on this channel, on the Dowenya project, the Cape Coast project, the Hill project. These are all projects which was a bit of a challenge in the beginning because of the nature of the land, but we've been able to, get things done. So I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spending on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.